What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today I want to talk about ticker symbol SRNE. I took a little swing trade on SRNE a week ago on a Friday, holding over the weekend, selling Monday into the market open. I want to break this stock down, take a look at it on BookMap, and show you guys my thinking process on why I took this trade. Let's jump into it, everybody. Real quickly, I got the Discord up right here. Here is my timestamp. On Monday, May 18th, SRNE. I bought 131 shares. I got in at $7.28 right here, and this was on a Friday. And then on Monday, I sold at $9.22, making a profit of $320, growing this little swing trade account, $320, growing at 36%. Here's my timestamp right here. I sold, it was just a little 131 shares I swung over the weekend for a nice little profit. So let's break this down. This day right here, Friday, SRNE traded over 500 million in volume. $500 million in volume traded on SRNE Friday. It's closing above the VWAP. It's got record volume. There's such a demand for this stock. The float on SRNE is only 147 million is the float on SRNE. We've rotated the float around 3 times, and if we look at the daily on SRNE, you can scroll out of this. You can see there's no really history of a big volume day like we had right here on this Friday. Over $500 million in volume. We can go to the weekly chart, scroll out on it, no history of just any big volume like we traded on that day. And even on the monthly chart, scrolling out. So keeping an eye and having attention for detail like that will separate you from the sheep. This stock traded record volume on that Friday. There's a huge demand for this stock. You gotta think about it. It's the stock market. Keeping it simple. It's basic supply and demand. There was a huge wave of demand that came in for this stock on that Friday, trading over 500 million shares. That's a wild number. You don't really ever see that much volume on low cap stocks. So SRNE closed here Friday, and then it gaps up pre-market on Monday, hitting a high of $10.50, and then just couldn't get over $10. And then all day Monday, this just sold all the way down from $10 down to $6. And as the week went on, this started to bottom out here at around $5. I want to open up BookMap and show you guys the first opening minute of SRNE on this Monday right here. And you have to think, if a stock traded 500 million in volume on Friday, you have to think of everybody who bought all in here, all over in here, Friday, buying and buying and buying. And then when the market finally opens up right here, everybody who has bought all right here is gonna want to take profit. And that's what led to this just selling down all day Monday and selling down for the rest of the week. Shorts attack it. People are gonna be selling, putting more supply back into the market. It's basic supply and demand. So now I got BookMap up, and we're about to hit play right when the market opens. And I just want you guys to watch this as all this selling comes in, paying attention to the time and sales, the selling right here, and the selling bubbles that pop up here on BookMap. So let's hit play on this. And you could see there's a big seller right there. 800,000 shares, over 800,000 shares here at $10. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. Stock opens up at $10 immediately and just starts selling off all the way down, and you could just see there's no buyers down here really at all. There is one 70,000 buyer, but compared to almost 1 million shares someone's selling up here at $10, that's crazy. And immediately when it opens, just slams down from 10 down to 950. and then bounces from $9.50 right back up to this $10. And look at it try to eat through that big seller right there. It was at 800,000 shares. There's a seller there. Buyers are trying to attack it and eat him up right here. They just can't do it. They got it down from 800,000 down to 600,000. Look at all of these people here trying to buy that and break out. And then look at, he's refreshing his selling. And then right down through 650 we go. See, and he's slowly refreshing that size up here at that $10. You've seen the buyers ate a lot of it up. It was at like over 800,000 shares, and the buyers were able to eat it down to 600,000. And now as the price is way down here, you have sellers refreshing it, bringing it right back up to 800,000, 700,000. And we get a bounce there at 920. Now it's slowly creeping its way up back up to 950s. Let's fast forward it a little bit. We'll fast forward it times 8. You can see it's still, the buyers on it is just continuing to add up here. There's no buyers stepping up on this. None whatsoever. People are just slowly getting out of their positions and selling. There's a big buyer there at $9. See how fast he just got ate up? Let's go back to that right here. See that big bar right here? That's telling me that there's a big buyer right there. This guy has a buy order of almost 300,000 shares. Now watch as the sellers just attack this buyer and eat him up. We'll slow it down to regular speed and we'll hit play on it. Almost 300,000 shares he has to buy right there. Look at how fast they just ate that up. And then down it went through $9 there. And then there's a big seller immediately right there. 120,000 shares almost. Right at $9. So then now that's going to act as resistance. But you've seen how fast they ate through that big buyer. Sellers are in complete control of this stock. Complete control. Go back, fast forward this video and watch. That was real time right there. How fast they just ate that guy up. And look at that. From $10 way up there. It's all the way down to $8.50. Still, sellers attacking this. Nobody's stepping up now to buy this. Look, you can see there's a big buyer, or there was a big buyer right there, just below. There's a big buyer down here with 500,000 shares at $7. But I think this is where the stock got halted for a moment. But I just wanted to show you guys a little video of the selling and the buying and how fast these sellers can just eat up buyers. I'm still getting used to this platform and learning this platform, so give me a little bit more time. Last week was my first week with BookMap, and I thought I'd just show you guys a little fun video. SRNE using BookMap on that Monday was my first day using this, and seeing that happen was just crazy. I've never really seen in depth the volume that BookMap shows you with stocks and the buying and the selling. It's just crazy and blows my mind still. So far, it's holding up to its name. This is an amazing platform, and I'm loving this. I have many more examples that I want to show you guys as well. Ticker symbol NVAX, ALT, CODX from last week that I still got to go back and make videos on. I've seen great examples of buyers stepping up, taking charge, and attacking the sellers, squeezing the sellers. I have a lot of great content upcoming, guys, with BookMap. So keep an eye out for that stuff. I'm going to try to make those videos and edit them as soon as I can. I have so many video ideas and videos I still have to edit. If you're new to the channel, guys, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Leave comments down below. Do you guys want more BookMap videos? And if you have used BookMap or still use BookMap, how do you like it? But like I said, I'm enjoying BookMap so far. This platform is just amazing. It has already paid for itself with my trading. And this is going back to what I was saying. If you're newer and you're not consistently profitable yet, I would focus more on becoming consistent. And then once you are consistent, then I would say, yeah, you could go off and get BookMap and use it as a tool to help you make even more money in the stock market. For me, I'm a consistent trader. I've been doing this for 5 years. BookMap will pay for itself in one trade, and then I could probably still have money to walk away with. But if you're struggling to make money every week, I would hold off on buying BookMap until you're actually able to develop a strategy and become consistent in this game. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you